Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enter the special option by your secret code. To this operation, go to your phone and tap the code like this. And now just tap it this, and you are in your testing mode. In the secret menu, from you're gonna test many options of your phone. See the statistics of your phone, Wi-Fi information, test alerts, and NFC settings. The next code it's gonna be like this. And you can show the ping, connect, disconnect, and event or status. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!